Hello everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss about the configuration of a IPv6 router configuration with stateless address configuration. So here we are going to going to configure IPv6 router using a stateless address auto configuration mode. So here let us arrange the device. Take 2029 sorry 4321 router 4321 router, and connect a switch is 2960, and then arrange a PC. So here PC first, PC 0 and PC 1. Now connect this with the by using a cable. So here I'm connecting it as a gigabit Ethernet 001 port, and this is gigabit Ethernet 01. Similarly, I'm going to connect this switch using a fast Ethernet to PC1, PC0. Similarly, fast Ethernet 02 PC1. Now I'm going to configure this router. So go to the configuration. Okay. Now going to configure this router. So here, what do you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? No. Now enable and then config terminal. So firstly I'm going to name the host name IPv6, IPv6 host name IPv6 ERSOR. Now IPv6 unicast routing, IPv6 unicast routing, and then interface Giganet Ethernet, interface Gigabit Ethernet 0/0/1, and then IPv6 address, IPv6 address F FE80 FE80 1, and link local link local. Now IPv6 address IPv6 address 2001 db8 ACAD and then 1/64. Now it's configured. Now put no shutdown shutdown and end. So our router has been configured. Now let's verify. So running config, yeah, it's configured, and we can see it does not show any kind of a error here. Current configuration 469 bytes and version 15.4. No service times 1 logged at time MSEC. So here we can see complete detailed Giga interface, no IP address, duplex auto and speed auto. These are the configuration. Now going to configure the PC. So firstly, and this is now going to configure this PC, and here come to desktop, IP configuration, and here make it automatic. Now we can see it is configured. Ending this, similarly do same for second and make it automatic. It is also configured. Now check the status. We can check the status by using ipconfig. Let's here doing ipconfig. Let's set the IP configuration. Here come to the desktop and go with the terminal. Go with command prompt. So here command prompt type ipconfig, and we can see your IP address has been configured. Now we can check with using ping command. So here we can ping ping 2001 db8 ACAD 1. Now we can see ping is working fine. Similarly, we can check for the second PC. We can check with this PC also. So here we can go with command prompt and type ipconfig. Here we can see IP has been configured. Now check ping 2001 db8 ACAD -1. Here it says that ping request could not find host. Let me check. I think there is config. Let me check it again. Here we did a mistake in typing the ping command. So here again I am going to recorrect it. 1 ping 2001 db8 ACAD 1. Now we can see here ping command is working. This was the auto configuration of a IPv6 router, that is called stateless address auto configuration. It is also abbreviated as SLAAC. Thank you. This was the complete configuration video. Now we can check with this we can check the packet deliver. Here you can check. Yeah, it is working successful. Similarly, we can check with the second PC. It is also successful. Now we can check with interpersonal communication. It is also working. This was the complete configuration. Thank you.